Okay, hi there everybody. This is Riddler 99 box break. This is the first one I've done in about a month. I was doing quite a bit for a while there. Yeah, so I've got 10 this week. This is the first of those ones. And hopefully I'm going to have another 10 next week. And we'll keep it rolling from there. So this first one that we're going to do is for 2010-2011 Panini Zenith Hockey. As you can see on the screen capture, we have the break here. This is one of the teams that ended. This is Carolina. Ended October 28th at 1947. I'm going to switch the winners list here so you can see the right ones. This one, the winner was Hairbag 7. So for Carolina, you see Hairbag 7. And this is the other list, the rest of the winners for this break. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop open the webcam. Time is right now 1:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 29th. So I'm going to do the break right now, and then I'm going to have to hold the links back because not everybody's paid. And as soon as everybody's paid, then I'm going to let it all go, and everybody will get the links. So let me pop this open here. Okay, so here we are with the break, and here's the box, sorry. I'm going to read you the serial numbers, as you can tell, out of practice because I haven't done this for a month, almost. Serial number was 931-94386. You can see there. Okay, sealed box. That's the certified. That's going to come up next behind me. So let's open her up and see what's inside. In the past, I always kept Edmonton. I decided I'm going to start releasing them to everybody because I have to narrow down my collection. I got too many things on the go, so I'm just doing the cup now. So here's the Dare to Dare card. I'm going to put it right there. We'll do that at the very end. And here are the packs. One more in here. Empty box. What I'll do is I'll do a recap video as well, showing just the hits after everything's done, so everything that's going to get shipped you'll see. Let's go. Pack number 1. It'll be a little shorter too, the recap, obviously. First card. I have to move this webcam up a little bit. Zach Parise, base, not shipped. Base are not shipped in this one. Second card, Brent Burns, base. Third card, Patrick Roy. This is not a base card. This is one of the Legends inserts that does get shipped. Decoy. Rene Bourque, base. Pekka Rinne, base. If anybody needs any base cards, let me know. For pretty much anybody, any sets from at least 2011, 2012. I have some older stuff too, but not a lot. I can help you guys finish some sets. Vanek, base. Volkun, base. Yzerman Legends insert. That gets shipped. Decoy. Tim Jackman, base. And Stephen Weiss, base. Hemsky, base. Johnson, base. Another Legends. Brian Leach, get shipped too. Nothing. Decoy. Carey Price, base. Wojtek Walski, base. Camilleri, base. Boucher, base. We have mosaics of it's the Kings, so it's Shen, Doty, and Kopitar. That obviously gets shipped. We have a Winter Warriors, Pekka Rinne. PR, not numbered. That gets shipped as well, obviously. Patrick Sharp, base. John Tavares, base. Always lots shipped out of Zenith. Steve Mason, base. Claude Giroux, base. We have a rookie roll call of Jonathan Bernier. Nice looking card. We have a gifted grinders of David Backes. Shipped as well. Decoy. Cam Ward, base. And LeCavalier, base. David Backes, base. TJ Oshie, base. Jean Beliveau, that gets shipped. We have another mosaics with 2 pieces of jersey in it. It's Antropov, Eric Bolton, and Pavlik. So this goes to Winnipeg / Atlanta. David Booth, base. And Phil Kessel, base. Ryan Kessler, base. Thomas Caberlet, base. Z rookie, Brandon Mashinter out of 999. Decoy. Jimmy Howard, base. Patrice Bergeron, base. Does not want to come out. We have a Marc-Andre Fleury, base. Peter Forsberg, base. Habs did well with the Legends, that's for sure. Guy Lafleur, Legends. Decoy. Lidstrom, base. Lucic, base. Nice pack. Dan Hamhuis, base. We have a Mikko Koivu red parallel. These are the Epics, I think. I'm not sure about that one, to be honest. We have another mosaics, this time the Dallas Stars. Trevor Daley, Jamie Benn, and Brad Richards. Decoy. Good, I need decoys. Mikko Koivu, base. And Nicholas Backstrom, base. Last pack before the Dare to Tear. Shea Weber, base. We have a Yours Truly auto of Michael Grabner, New York Islanders. Quite nice. We have a Creases the Word, Jonas Hiller, Anaheim Ducks. Another decoy. P.A. Parenteau base, and an Eric Stahl base. Alright, let's do the Dare to Tear. As I said, it will be opened. I don't care who it is. Patrick Waugh this time. Say bye-bye, Patrick. Hopefully there's something good. I have hit a couple. I've had 1 out of 99 rookie, not a couple, sorry. That's a nice card. I might actually contact the person and see if they want to trade it. Jeff Petrie, auto rookie out of 99. Zenith rookie roll call. And it is numbered out of 99. 87. Okay, so I'm going to come back with a Just the Hits video. This one is 9 minutes and 20 some odd seconds, so Just the Hits will probably be like less than a minute if people need a synopsis. Okay, thanks a lot, everybody.